While foraging for mushrooms can be incredibly exciting, it is crucial to be vigilant and cautious during your research. Many poisonous mushrooms exist alongside edible ones, and some even mimic the appearance of their edible counterparts. Death cap. Death cap mushrooms already give you a definite hint of what to expect. They have a round silver cap and a narrow white stem. You can find them under bushes and shrubs. Death caps look like the common mushroom and do not have the characteristic bitter taste that most poisonous plants and mushrooms have. Only a few bites of these supposedly tasty mushrooms can already kill you. Symptoms don't reveal themselves until a day or two after ingestion, and it can take up to a week for death to occur. Because of their prolific growth in urban environments, death caps pose a particularly high safety risk to urban populations. Jacko Lantern. The orange hue of Jacko Lantern mushrooms gave them their name. These poisonous mushrooms grow in clusters and have gills. The edible chanterelles, which are similar in appearance, do not. Deaths from Jacko Lanterns are rare, but it is good to be cautious. If you're unsure you have a Jacko Lantern or chanterelle, check the gills of the mushroom, the part underneath the cap. Chanterelles do not have actual gills, only gill-like structures, while Jacko Lanterns have distinct gills that are said to glow in the dark. Destroying angel. Destroying angel mushrooms are cousins of death caps mushrooms and nearly as deadly as them too. With a white, bulbous cap and a thick stem, destroying angels look very similar to puffball mushrooms. Destroying angels have white stem and gills, and they are not attached to each other. Another distinct characteristic is a broken membrane at the base of the stem. Destroying angel mushrooms are very deadly. Irreversible damages are caused to the liver and kidneys of the victim only 5 hours after ingestion. It is difficult to treat those who are affected by it, which is why destroying angel mushrooms account for a large proportion of the deaths caused by poisonous mushrooms. False morels. The tenderness and woody flavor of morel mushrooms make it a universal favorite. During the spring, they can be found near dead trees in colder climates. Unfortunately, so do false morels, which encompasses several species of poisonous mushrooms that look alike to edible morel mushrooms. Ingestion of a false morel is not always fatal. The actual threat of these mushrooms depends on the concentration of the poison and the sensitivity of the person to different types of poison. Final thoughts. There is only a very fine line between edible and poisonous mushrooms. As it is a matter of life or death, only eat mushrooms picked in the wild that you are certain are edible.